Welcome to the AI Update. What if I told you that you could automate hours of repetitive work with just one free AI tool? Whether you're a student, freelancer, entrepreneur, or just someone who's constantly swamped with tasks, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT by OpenAI to automate your emails, content writing, research, idea generation, documentation, and more. These are real-world examples you can copy and paste into ChatGPT right now. So sit back, relax, and let's unlock the power of AI automation in 2025. Let's start with one of the most time-consuming daily tasks, emails. ChatGPT can help you write, edit, and even respond to emails in a tone that suits your audience. Imagine you're waiting for a reply from a client who hasn't responded in a week. Just type. Write a polite follow-up email to a client named Sarah, asking for an update on the proposal I sent last week. ChatGPT will instantly generate a professional email you can use as is or tweak to your liking. It can also summarize long email threads or turn bullet points into a full message, perfect for teams or busy inboxes. Next up, content creation. If you're a social media manager, YouTuber, or blogger, you're going to love this. Let's say you need a catchy caption for Instagram. Type. Write an engaging caption for a fitness product launch. Include emojis and a call to action. Or for YouTubers, create a video script introduction for a review of the top AI tools in 2025. You'll get high-converting text in seconds. It's fast, it's smart, and it saves hours every week. Research can be exhausting, digging through articles, comparing stats, trying to understand complex topics. But with ChatGPT, you can turn hours into minutes. Example. Summarize the key differences between traditional and AI project management tools. You get a clear, easy-to-understand answer, without digging through 10 different websites. You can also ask it to explain difficult topics in simple terms, perfect for quick learning or teaching others. Stuck for ideas? ChatGPT is like having a creative partner who never sleeps. Want video topics? Just ask. Give me 10 YouTube video ideas for a faceless AI tools channel. Planning a product launch? Suggest 5 unique marketing angles for a smart home device. You can also generate blog titles, content calendars, and even full outlines for presentations or courses. Reports and documentation are boring but necessary. ChatGPT makes it easier by turning short notes into professional summaries. Try this. Write a short monthly progress report for a remote team working on a mobile app launch. Mention delays and positive milestones. Or for internal documentation, create a standard operating procedure for onboarding a freelance writer. From bullet points to full write-ups, it's a huge time saver. Want to go beyond the basics? Try custom GPTs. In ChatGPT Pro, you can build your own assistant trained on your needs. For example, create a GPT that writes social posts in your brand voice, or answers questions based on your product documentation. It's as simple as filling out a few fields and giving it a task. These GPTs remember instructions, save your preferences, and work like mini virtual assistants for specialized tasks. If you're in sales, HR, content, or tech, there's a custom GPT for you. So there you have it, 6 powerful ways ChatGPT can automate your work and save you hours every single week. Try just one of these techniques today, and you'll feel the difference immediately. You can have a polished and valuable ready-to-use ChatGPT prompt list available in the description of this video. Please check it out. If you found this guide helpful, please hit like, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more real-world AI tips and tools. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.